Hello my friends, you in the channel The Knitting Room, and today I rest in Arabic country, and but today we learn new pattern. This is very simple and interesting pattern, stretch and the other side, beautiful too. You are ready? Go. Beginning, first loop, knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and all rows. And last loop, purl. It's finish facial side. Change our knitting and first loop and all loop we knitting pull loop. It's very simple, very easy pattern for beginning. And let's look together. This is facial side, knit loops, knit pull loops, change to all rows, and facial knit loops. It's facial side and this other side. My friends, thanks for your watch and subscribe in my channel, and I wait your likes. Goodbye.